Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check if your message has been read on Discord. Let's open Discord. Here you will click on Direct Messages and select the user to send a message. There, send a message. As you can see, wait for the user to respond, so Discord indicates if they read our message. Additionally, you will see when the user is writing at the bottom of the message. This tells you that your message has been read. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.